Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted files on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So you have 30 days in order to recover files that have been sent to trash. If you use Gallery, then in the gallery you can go to Albums at the bottom, scroll down and go to Deleted Items. And over here you will find everything that has been removed in the last 30 days. You can choose a specific photo that you have removed and then you can restore by pressing that button over here at the bottom of the screen. And you can also press and hold your finger on the image or video in order to start selecting multiple files, and then you can restore all of those selected files by using this restore button over here. Now, on the other hand, if you use, for instance, Files by Google, then in this case you can go to the top left corner and tap on these three lines. So once again, it is over here, these three lines. Then here we need to go to trash, and here once again we will find all files that have been removed in the last 30 days. You can select them and then you can either delete or restore. So if you want to recover them, then of course you have this option over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.